You all will agree with me that CapCut subscription these days is now something else. And as beginner content creators, we do not have that amount of money to be paying for 15K or 14,000 plus monthly for CapCut subscription. In this video, I'll be showing you how to actually use CapCut Pro subscription for free without paying a dime. I was logged out of my CapCut Pro subscription sometime 2 or 3 weeks ago, which was very annoying because I wasn't able to log in anymore. It was just telling me invalid password, invalid password. Although it's a group subscription, we were like 10 in a group and we paid for a 1-year subscription. And when we paid for this 1-year subscription, CapCut was on promo. There was one time they did promo and we got that 1-year subscription for 14,000 plus instead of the 80,000 naira, right? That was how they now locked all of us out. I couldn't post for 2 or 3 days because I wasn't able to edit my videos. The ones I edited that are in the CapCut app already for me to now export and post, I lost all of them that I had to start afresh. So in that frustration, I tried other editing apps like InShot and the rest. But InShot, I don't just like the vibes that InShot is giving me. You always still agree with me that when it comes to editing, CapCut is still the GOAT. Like their interface is very simple and very easy for you to understand and navigate, unlike the other ones that are just complicated and all over the place. I do not like any of the editing apps, I'm not going to lie. So when I was now looking for ways to make it easier or maybe navigate through this whole CapCut thing, that was when I now stumbled on a video on TikTok. And I tried it out, it worked for me, and I said, let me come and share with my YouTube family. If you're a beginner and you're looking for ways to use CapCut Pro features for free without you paying a dime, you might want to watch this video to the end because I'm going to be showing you that in this video. Hi, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Juliet. I'm a mom and also a full-time content creator. I'm a lifestyle creator on TikTok and also on Facebook. If you want to catch up on the things I do on a daily basis when I'm not here on the YouTube space, feel free to follow my other social media platforms, and I promise you it will be worth your data. Okay, so let's just dive into today's video. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using my other phone to do this tutorial. Then I will cast my screen on this phone for you to be seeing what I am doing with this phone. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's just get straight into it. Let me start the screen recording. Okay, now I started. So let's start. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be uninstalling the CapCut app on this phone, then we'll reinstall it back so that I'll be able to show you guys what I want to show you. Let's uninstall the app. Uninstall the app. Now the app is gone. Then you move over to Google Chrome and type CapCut old version or old version of CapCut. Both of them are the same thing, and search for it. Then the one that says up to down, you click on the first one showing the Android version. I'm using an Android phone. So you now start scrolling down. You scroll. December 2023, January 2024. Any of those should be fine, right? Because in 2024 when their excessive billing actually started, everything now turned to Pro version. Because let me just start with December 2023. December 2023. Okay, yeah, that's it here. December 27, 2023. Version 10.5.0. That's what I'm going to install on this phone. Click on the download and download the file. For details, you see it's downloading. How fast this will download depends on how fast your connection is or how strong your network is. Finally, it has finished downloading. So let's quickly install the app and see what it looks like. Let's open and see. You see it has a remove background, auto cut, photo editor, product photo, collabs, AI poster, camera, retouch, auto captions, teleprompter, AI model, image enhancement, which is free. So let's add a project and see what the other interface looks like. Let me use this video. Click on the edit, scroll down to reduce noise. You see, the reduce noise feature is free on this version. Then let's check out the enhanced voice and see if it's still free or this is also a paid promotion. Okay, the enhanced voice is still a pro version. The goal here is for us to get the enhanced noise feature for free, isolate voice feature for free, and also the reduce noise feature for free, and also export our video for free. That is the foremost important feature in CapCut app, if you ask me. Because, you know, as content creators in Nigeria, all the background noise that we have to deal with, we need these 4 features, and you need to pay money for you to use them now on CapCut. So we are trying to get to use them without paying money as beginners, because we are looking for cheap something. We don't have money yet, so we are still struggling to survive on this internet space. And editing apps can never be the reason why we did not succeed on content creation, right? Some of the things you need to know about this older version of CapCut is, first of all, the enhancement, voice enhancement is still not free. The isolate voice is still not free, but the reduce noise now is free. Extract audio is free. Export video is free. And another thing, there are some new templates that are in the newer version that are not in the older version. But because you are a beginner, you just need the basics. You don't need anything serious. This one will serve you all the purpose that you need. For people that are using the enhanced voice and isolate voice, for me now, I don't use it because I have a microphone. I will just go to reduce noise and we are good to go. But being that we are in Nigeria and you are a content creator, you must hear the sound of generator, or a dog barking somewhere, or a chicken making one noise somewhere, or your neighbors just discussing and making noise, or one driver just honking everywhere, right? So for you to reduce that noise and clear everything, you need to use the enhanced voice and reduce noise. So what you do now is you use this two feature. After using it, increase the volume of your phone to the highest, then you screen record the video that you already made. What you need is the audio, not even the video. So after screen recording it, remove all the pro features that you have used, which is the enhanced voice and the isolate voice. Then mute the whole original audio, mute the original video, the original audio that you applied the features on, mute it, then you extract the audio from the screen recorded video and put it back in your video. That way you have a very clean audio and you don't need to pay for it to export it. That is the advantage of this older version of CapCut. The disadvantage is, if you like all these fancy templates, it is not here. What you just get here is mostly the basics that you need to just edit a proper video and post it. You don't need anything too much, since you are not a cinematographer or anything like that. You just need the basic split and or the rest, just simple edits that you need to make your video look perfect. That's the only thing you need, and this, you get it and you don't need to pay for it. And one thing you should always have in mind, don't you ever on no occasion update this your app after downloading it, because once you update it, CapCut will update it to the latest version, which you need to pay for almost everything to use it. No matter how many times Play Store sends you notification to update the app, please don't do it. Just leave it like that. Ignore them and be using it steadily like that, okay? And you will be fine. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, which I know that you do, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel so that whenever I drop relatable videos like this, helpful videos like this, you will get notified. And I will be seeing you again the same time next week. Don't forget, keep creating, keep pushing. One day, this hustle must pay, and I will see you again next week. Bye.